Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, buckle up, we will learn about dictionary work, which means that we will learn how to use a dictionary. So, keep a dictionary with you and open up page number 11 on your book. Now, let's get started. Do you remember that in our first lecture we read a topic about traffic jam, in which Sulaiman was late for his class? Today we will read a paragraph about how Sulaiman felt in the traffic jam. Let's read this paragraph together. It was a humid day. Sulaiman was feeling frustrated. The traffic was hideous and the road was congested. He felt anxious and distressed. Would he get scolded for being late? Sulaiman closed his eyes and made a dua. If only traffic would clear up. Now, what do you think the words in blue mean? For the highlighted words in blue, there is a way we can find the meanings of those words. That is by using a dictionary. Here is a step-by-step guide of how to use a dictionary. So, for the highlighted words,